Welcome, in front of me is a INFINIX Hot 20, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, simply open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so obviously it's already open for me. But once you have yours prepared, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. This will flash and give you also a notification that you can capture a screenshot with a 3-finger swipe down, which is pretty nice. So anyway, let's just do that as well. And as you can see, it captured now 2 screenshots. So you can find both of them in your Photos application, which is located under Google folder. And you will need to navigate to Library, Screenshots, and you can see both of them right over here. There's 1 and 2. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.